Come here. Want to hear something funny? Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field.
Tom Grimsley wins.
Here, above the crowd, the world smells a little different. That's why I travel with this. Stanky poo, oud, saffron, a kick of mystery, packed into a bottle small enough to ride with me anywhere. One spray.
All right, team, welcome to the 2026 Power Session. I'm Tom, and I'm taking you through a quick full body circuit. First, we're going to open up with a mobility warm-up. Step forward into a lunge, rotate over the front leg, and drive back. Keep that chest tall. Down to the floor for...
Is that a lion coming straight at us?
Everyone stay calm, stay seated. Easy,
What
folks. Relax, it's just me, Tom Grimsley. Are you serious right now?
You should have seen your face.